Hey folks, Mike Chissell, Chissell Mortgage Group. Hope this video finds you well. Today, let's talk about the 6 best uses for a cash out refi. Okay, number 1, home improvements. It increases the value to your property, and when you go to sell your property, you have more money on the equity of your home. So it's a great way to go ahead and use the cash out refi to improve your property. Number 2, pay off high interest rate credit card debts. Did you know if you had a $10,000 balance on a credit card at 15% interest rate, it would take you 28 years to pay that off, making the minimum payments, and that is disgusting. We are blowing out tons of debts for our clients right now. They're saving over $1,000 a month, increasing their cash flow per month by paying off those high interest rate credit cards. Number 3, add or start to your investments. It's a great way to go ahead and build wealth for the future. You can borrow money around 4.25% on a cash out refi if you have excellent credit. And then did you know that the 30-year return on the S&P index is 10.7%? You borrow at 4, you invest at 10.7. What a great return and what a great way to build wealth for the future. Number 4, buy an investment property. Did you know that 90% of all millionaires made their money in real estate? So great way to go ahead and buy some investment property. Number 5, buy a second home. In Florida, all you need is 10% down. This way you can have friends and families come rent your property from you. You can Airbnb it. You can live in, for example, Clearwater and buy a second home in Clearwater Beach. Okay, so it's a great way to go ahead and build wealth for the future. And the last one, the 6th use, is to start or expand a business. Okay, you can buy more inventory. You can expand in more locations. You can just have a cash cushion for your business. So folks, these are great strategies, but please seek the advice of your financial advisors regarding these strategies. Any questions regarding mortgage financing, please call us at the office. Mike Chissell, Chissell Mortgage Group, 727-376-6900. Thanks and have a great day.